Alright everyone, today we're going to be talking about secondary dominant chords in music. So, a dominant chord is basically just the chord that is on the 5th degree of a scale. So let's say we're in B flat major. So, B flat major, the 5th degree of the scale, the 5th note is F. So, the dominant chord is going to be the triad built on F. So that's an F major chord. So you can have a dominant of any key. Like in G major, it's a D chord, D major chord. In G flat major, it's a D flat major chord, etc. However, you can also, in a certain key, like B flat major, there are other dominant chords. These are called secondary dominants. Like, it's called tonicization, because it's tonicizing another chord of the scale. So in B flat major, let's say you want to have a C minor chord, which is the 2, the 2nd degree, and you want to tonicize that. So you want to have a dominant of 2. Well, the dominant of 2, which is a C minor chord, is a G major chord. This is called a 5 of 2, because it's the 5th degree of the 2nd degree. So that is a secondary dominant. So here's going to be a progression. So we have the 1 chord, 4 chord, 2 chord, 5/7 chord, 1 chord. Now let's say you want to replace that 4 chord with something more chromatic. We can use the 5 of 2. And that is how you get chromaticism, because the G major chord includes a B natural, which is not found in the B flat scale. So that's just one example of secondary dominant chords. You can have the 5 of 5, for example. So let's just do 1, 5, 1. And here's 1, 5 of 5, 5, 1. The E natural in the C major chord, which is the 5 of 5, is not found in the B flat major scale, which is an E flat instead. Another example is the 5 of 4. So that would be, so the 4th note is E flat, so the 5 of that would be B flat. But that's already a triad, that's just the 1 chord, so we don't usually use that. However, we can use 7th chords, so a 5/7 of 4 would be this. The A flat is not found in the B flat major scale, and therefore it is possible to be used as secondary dominant. So here's 1, 4, 5, 1 in B flat major. And here's 1, 5/7 of 4, 4, 5, 1. There's a couple of other examples of secondary dominants. There's a 5 of 6, which is basically used whenever you're trying to tonicize the relative minor. Sharp, which is not something you would encounter in B flat major normally. And the rarest one of all of these is the 5 of 3. And, okay, I'm just going to try this. So, 1, 3, okay, 1, 3, 4, 5, 1. Now we're going to put the 5 of 3 into it. 1, 5 of 3, 3, 4, 5, 1. The 5 of 3 is actually remarkable because it has 2 notes that you would not find in B flat major. It has a C sharp and an E, and you normally find C and E flat in the scale. They can also appear in minor. That's the subject for a part 2 of the secondary dominants. So I'm going to end this video off with a progression that involves several different secondary dominants. That's a 4, 5 of 4. any questions, be sure to comment below, like, and subscribe. Bye!